Got a little tool haul we can go through here. We'll start with these screwdrivers. Wooden perfect handle style, but these guys are Irwin. Both of them, you see, they're pretty good sized screwdrivers. We'll go here. Combination wrench. I like these. See, it's a Bemis and Call. Combination wrench, monkey wrench, and pipe wrench. Little gasket cutter. It says something, I can't see it through the camera. Maybe if somebody knows what it is, I don't know. And I got this little scribe cutter chisel somebody made out of a drill bit. It's pretty sharp. Little, looks like a spoon knife or something or other, I don't know. Paring knife, apple peeler, cherry pitter, grape peeler, I don't know. Got a pin here, you can use that for some shaping stuff. Got two bearing scrapers. I couldn't see any names on them anywhere. Bending jig here. Put them in your vise, you can adjust them and use them for bending. These rings you can adjust for a different radius of a bend when you're doing scrolls and whatnot. You got the side of these, they're radiused, so you can use them for little dishing. A whole bunch of different sizes there. Piece of waste. Go to the hammers now. Got an old rounding hammer here. Got a cross beam. See, it's an older cross beam. It's in good condition. Got a hot cut. Chisel on a stick right there. Little 2-inch square flatter. Little round flatter. I think this one's about 2 inches as well. And this one's about 3, maybe 2 3/4. Got another round flatting hammer. Let's get these out of the way. Let's bring this block to the block. So we got some dipper swages on there. Swages all the way around the edges. Spoon swages on the other side. Then I got this table too. This table is really cool. Oh, can't forget about this. Got a little traveler, measuring wheel, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, this table, you can see there in front where you can hang your tongs or hardy tools. Hammers can go on the other 3 sides. It's all original, except you can see some reinforcing there on the bottom.